Hey guys, Beardicus here with another unboxing video. This time it is something for the channel, and that is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Now, this is going to be a great addition to the TechWizTime channel, and I'll also use it over here too. It's a 4K camera, which I haven't dealt with before, but in saying that, let's just jump in with the unboxing and I'll talk along the way. So, I will be looking above me because I've got a camera above to show that angle, because you're going to get a clearer picture of the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K from that angle there. So a little bit of background, the camera that I'm using and shooting on right now is the T2i, which is the 550D Canon, and that was purchased back in, I think, 2012 from a company called Digital Camera Warehouse. And that was in Brisbane, Queensland, in Australia. And I recently purchased this one. Actually, it was a 2-month waiting period from the same company, but from Sydney. So yeah, it was a really good deal. So hence why I'm unboxing it right now. So what you've got here is you've got a little welcome to Blackmagic design. I'll show that one up there. Little booklet with all different things in. And then you've got DaVinci Resolve Studio. So that'll be the, let me just check in here. Yep, so that's the SD card and the software download key there by the looks of it. Let me just have a look. Yep, there's a serial key on there. So nice. Then we've got the actual power brick itself. And if I'm not mistaken, yep, so they've got a little accessory pack here. I'll show you there. And also up there with the different power connectors. So I'm going to be using the Australian one. So simply let me just see here for a second. So click it in like that. There we go. So that's the power. It's the only one that I'll need. So I'll put the rest back in there so it's nice and neat and tidy. And you've also got your battery pack. Now that's the Canon LPE6 style battery. Probably won't be using that, I'll just be using the actual wall power. And last but not least, wow, it's got a nice little, actually it's got a nice little weight to it, to be honest. It's a little bit weightier than the Canon, that's for sure. It's got the grip there, really nice. Awesome, so that's all that's in the actual box itself. I'll just show you the camera on the above view there. There's the back. It's one side. There's the other side, and the battery compartment is just in there. Awesome. So, throw that one there. That was the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K unboxing for my channel. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also just note that this channel is a one-take channel, so pretty much everything apart from the switching between the angles is going to be almost one take. So if you're into that sort of thing and you want my personality, then come over to this channel here. I'm going to be trying to integrate my personality more into the TechWizTime channel because that's where I started, and I love making the tech videos over there. So if you are a fan of, tech tutorials, gaming and all that sort of thing, then pop over to the TechWizTime channel and check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and if you can, share the video out there on the internet. Thanks guys.